Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about Experiment 7 Viva Questions on projections of solids with axis inclined to both the HP and VP. Let us see the question number 1. What is the purpose of projecting solids in engineering graphics? Let us see the answer. In engineering graphics, projecting solids serves several important purposes, primarily related to visualizing, analyzing, and communicating the 3D shape and dimensions of objects. Question number 2. What key toggles ortho mode on and off in AutoCAD? The answer is F8. When you click on F8, the ortho mode is on. When you click again F8, the ortho mode is off. The purpose of ortho mode is to draw the horizontal lines or vertical lines. Question number 3. Which type of line is used to represent visible edges in projections? The answer is continuous thick lines. Question number 4. What is the purpose of rotate and move commands in AutoCAD? The answer is the rotate command is used to change the orientation of an object around a specified base point. This allows you to rotate an object to a desired angle without altering its shape or size or shape. The move command allows you to change the position of an object by shifting it from one point to another point. You can move objects horizontally, vertically, or along any specified direction. That is the difference between rotate command and move command. Question number 5. What is the key difference between an inclined axis and a parallel axis in projections of solids? Let us see the answer. An inclined axis causes the true size and shape of the features along the axis is to be distorted and foreshortening occurs. Example, when projecting a cylinder with an inclined axis, the circular cross section may appear as an ellipse in the projection, where a parallel axis retain their true size and shape without distortion or foreshortening. For example, a cube with a parallel axis will project straight edges and its faces will appear in their true shape. That is the difference between inclined axis and a parallel axis in projections of solids. In the next video, we will discussing about experiment number 8 Viva Questions. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.